Okay, excuse me, that's just a dishwasher running in the background. But here's some of the noise that's coming through. Let me turn up the intensity on this bit. This is the left channel. This is the right channel. You notice there's a lot of high frequency noise in the left channel. So I'm gonna have to back trace from the output to the driver stage and just try and pinpoint where this is coming from. Actually, that's a lot brighter on the camera than the actual oscilloscope. It's on the, if I get it to focus, let's see what setting that's on. That's on ×1. So the probes are hooked up to ×1.